Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So you have any doubts or any query, any issues or anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Can I share my screen?
Just give me a second. Like just give you the access. Yes, you can share your screen. You have to stop sharing this.
Hello?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yes, sir. Like, I'm stuck here. I don't know what to do now. Like,
Yes.
most of it doesn't even match the reference. This is what I have got. Like, I tried adding dirt and all for this.
Okay. So lighting, it's basically lighting. You have to bake the lighting. So your lighting is let's see your lighting.
I haven't baked it.
Yes.
Okay.
So select the lights, all the lights, make them movable. Make it movable
Okay.
and add a, you don't have a skylight, add a skylight.
I think I have a sky sphere with that only. With good sky, that thing is there, right?
The good sky is a sky, but you need to have a skylight. Go to light, left side, go to lights,
Okay. Okay.
extreme left lights, there's a skylight. Last one, dragged up into scene anywhere and make it,
Yes.
this is also make it movable.
Huh.
Okay, done. Now you have a post process in your scene.
Yes, sir. Huh.
Exposure is 1 1. Show me exposure first. Third option, 1
Yes,
1.
that time.
Both should be one. Both should be one.
One.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. This is your actual lighting.
Okay.
This is your actual lighting. So I can see it, everything become a little darker.
Huh.
No need to do anything now. And you increase the infinite extent, right?
Yeah, that part I did.
Okay. That is where it is. Oh, you have to
Mhm.
select post process. You have to select post process. You have selected sky. That's why. Select post
Oh,
process.
oh,
It's there. So it's affecting everything. Now, if you bake it, it will work. It will give you, you can see everything become dark. So now it will
yes, sir.
blend more and it will give you better result now.
And this much only, like, and plants also. Like, should I export from SpeedTree itself, or can I find it anywhere?
No, no, you can use that project I was using, tropical
Ah,
jungle. You can use that. You can use a tropical jungle and use it. It will give you better result. It
yeah.
will,
In this one,
nature pack. This
uh,
okay. You have foliage. Let's see. Uh,
only like, let's just go to mesh. In mesh, everything is there, right?
is with there,
Only one tree
but
is there.
but this is stylized. Instead of this, use that tropical jungle. I guess
Okay,
you
a
don't have it.
different pack.
It's a different pack. It's a different pack. So you can, or you can like go to this epic market place. There is a lot of megascan trees are there.
Okay.
So you can use those also.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning.
And what else needs to be done?
Like you need to add more foliage and the backs, like this section need to be extend now, like okay, annotation, yes, just
This one?
free, just freeze your screen, do not move anything. huh
Okay.
Now this section, this wall was like little wide, right? And because in our reference we have those wall and pillars and walls and those arches, right? Small arch kind of design,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So those things, it can either widen it up or maybe close this section, like add some more walls or pillars or some other design, because right now it looks open ended.
Mm.
So if it's a
Mm.
like it's a some palace or something, so it cannot be open. There's some need to be, you need to have some boundary. So add some boundary there and then add foliage. Now it needs foliage. Foliage is missing.
Like, what I added foliage is small grass, plants, and all.
Like little more, little dense. Like if you see the reference, they have a lot of foliage.
Uh, yes, sir.
Like based on that, you need to add more foliage. It will work.
1 second. Open the reference. Like I couldn't find these kind of plants.
So yes, these kind of plants, what you can do, these are IVs basically. So the
Okay.
IVs are available in marketplace also, and plus if you want, you can generate it in Speed Tree directly if you want.
Okay.
So you can generate also, or you can use. You can see here, there's so many foliage this area. Then we have, you can see there like foliage plus IVs, and foliage is everywhere. You can see everywhere it's there. IVs and all. So you can use the IV pack. There is a lot of IV packs available in marketplace. You can use that directly, or you can just import your model like I showed in SP3. It's import into your model and then generate it. Right. So you can see it's like it's pretty dense. This all these sides you can see they're pretty dense. A lot of foliage. All the corners have a lot of foliage. So you need to add more foliage, and you can see you cannot see the ending here. You cannot see the ending here, this side. So from the camera view, make sure this part is not visible. The opening is not visible.
Okay. Like the camera view, like
Yes, camera view.
cinematic one, I kept it like this.
So, but right now it looks, you can see the angle is not matching with the reference. It looks bit like a bit, it looks bit orthographic. What is the view or like this thing? This, you can see that wide, this water body is so wide. It's almost there.
Yes.
It's almost there. I guess you need to push it slightly back. Camera, just a little.
Maybe reduce the FOV or something.
FOV, yeah, just a little bit. It's almost there. It's almost there.
Like this.
This looks much better. Now it looks like much better. So I can see the left side. I can see the empty sections, right? All the sky is visible. Even background, even the front, this pass, where you have the waterfall, that section also I can see the background. So repeat your model and fill those sections. It should not be visible.
The curtain here is missing. In the reference, there's a curtain.
There's a curtain, yes. There's a curtain, and plus there's a courtyard. There's a like a corridor or something is there, right? Inside you can see the entire building. So that room you have to close it.
Okay, close the room, add the curtains, and here also
Yes.
try to close.
Yes, close it. So in camera it should like there is no sky is visible. So make sure sky is not visible. So if you do this and then add foliage, it will work perfectly. And then you have to bake it. So we have converted all the light into movable. Now baking process will take less time.
Okay, sir.
Then we can add and it will work perfectly. And now we need what we have to do is we have to beautify the scene. Like right now the scene looks kind of flat. There is not a lot of variation. So what we have to do, we have to use a lot of what you call it, decal map and generate all this dirt, like corner dirts and blending and some cracks, some all those things we have to add, and plus the foliage. If you add both all the things, it will work beautifully.
Like I added some, but like it's not properly matching.
So we need more. We
crack and all is there.
So we need more, and this. Show me the reference once.
Reference, yes.
So here I can see we have the circular shape is little different, right? So
this
one. This one. Okay, that is something you can see there's so many roots hanging, so many foliage hanging, right? Those things are missing basically. If you add those, it will work.
Like I have to import this pillar into Speed Tree and add that
roots. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It will work. It is coming out. It's coming out nice. No need to worry.
So there are a lot of decals also for vines and roots on.
Yes, we have to add a lot of decals, lot of cracks, dirt, and everything. Those things are missing. Those things you need to add now.
Like I tried adding that decals. Like I took some alphas and all, like alpha grunges and all, but it was too flat, and because of that, because of this texture, it was not blending properly.
Why?
Like
It should blend.
I removed that part. I tried adding some in Megascan. I download something like this also.
Rotate, yes, angle 90 degree, yes, 90 degree, reduce it. No, increase size, increase size, increase. It's flipped. Okay.
It looks something like this.
No, it just looks something like this right now. Once you bake it, it will look fine.
Okay.
No need to worry.
Even if
Because by default it will look like this only. Once you bake it, it will look clean.
where did it go? Nothing. It looks after baking, it will look nice. Huh?
After baking, I just make sure it's not flipped. I can see there's a minus value. All the locations are all the scale is the correct only. There's no minus. Just make sure it's not it's not getting flipped. That's the only thing.
Sir, I've sent my trim sheet albedo, like I actually used, instead of tileable, I used 2-3 non-tileable maps.
Okay. Where you sent? I have.
Sir, and chat
chat.
here.
Oh, chat. Sorry. Oh, I didn't check chat.
Sir, the
Sir, how to-
non-tileables one, I don't need them to tile, like.
That's fine.
So,
Sir, how to unflip it? Like,
No, like a scale again.
okay. Oh, you meant this. Okay.
Oh.
Maybe I need to change the tint or something.
That is also you can do. Tint you can change. Just double click, open it.
I
And
tried that, but
no, don't change it. Don't change it manually. Just pick
no,
the
this is an instance. Only.
it should be instance. It should be instance. Go to a color overlay, click on the color and pick the color from your wall.
Okay.
Now, yes, now this will blend better. You can make it dark, light, and everything, like a similar tone, and then place it wherever you want to place. You have to align it properly, and make
Yes,
sure. Oh, okay. Yes, and but the bounding is too much. Bounding box is way too much. You have to check that. Hello, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
yes.
Okay, but I don't know. Like I got a notification like my headphones or speaker is not working or something. What happened?
Okay, something.
Now it's fine. And that blue color is
Okay.
really prominent. Make it little dark, less saturated.
I'll desaturate it.
Uh,
Okay. I'll go back to the texture and desaturate it. Here also same thing. Yes, everywhere. Okay, sir. I stop sharing now.
yes. Only that foliage is required. That thing. Yes.
So did you have a look at my trim sheet? Like, is it looking coherent? Because it's all part of the same exterior.
One second. I just open it. Okay. But there is one issue with the trim sheet is within the trim sheet I can see tiling. You can see tiling is
Yeah.
visible. Tiling is visible everywhere. That is the problem.
Yes, sir, but these are very huge assets. Like these are the beams, like the vertical beams.
Okay, no, like what I'm saying, your texture itself, it's visible tiling. You can see tiling, 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 tiling. So
Yes, sir.
within the texture should not tile. That is something. Otherwise, what will happen? Because in trim sheet you overlap UVs multiple times, right? So you already have tiling visible. So then you add overlap UV, it will become double the overlapping, double the tiling. So tiling will visible everywhere. So make sure your texture
Okay.
this in this texture, like your texture sheet, it should not be tileable. It should not be repetitiveness should not be visible. This entire
Okay.
section
Sir,
can
this is
be,
an 8K map.
yes, but why its styling is visible? That is what I am asking. Tiling should not be visible, right?
Okay. Hmm.
Like it can be 8K map or it can be
ठीक
4K
है.
map, but the within the texture should not be tileable. Like if even if styling, stamp it, modify it, the tiling should not be there. Like take it as a unique section. If it's a unique
Okay. Sir,
section,
I was thinking I'll put DKL maps.
yes, you can put decal map, but the base texture itself wrong, na? Base texture itself tiling. I can see the
Okay,
repetitiveness.
sir.
So the base texture should
सर
be
बस
a unique
increase
texture.
करना.
Huh?
Tiling मतलब if I reduce the tiling then it will be.
Hi, like either you reduce the tiling or you can add something else on this and remove those sections. The tiling should not be visible within the texture because anyways it's going to tile, anyways it's going to repeat. So that tile, that repetition will be visible. So if it's your texture itself is visible, like it's visible, there's like repetitive. So it will be a problem. It will create an issue.
Okay, sir. Sir, how do like आपने बोला जो sections में कर सकते हैं, how do I add other textures in sections?
Other texture in section, like what section? You have sections now already.
Sir,
One section, two, all these are separate sections. So
अच्छा ठीक है sir, I'll do that.
like each and every texture is a separate section, like it's an individual part. No, separate section, separate
Yes, sir.
section.
Okay, sir, I'll do that. और sir, इसका color, like there are many color like light presets inside mixer, right? So which one is the proper one to use?
Like, you're talking about this one and this one.
No sir, mixer के अंदर there are जैसे substance में होता है ना, you asked us to use the studio number 3.
Yes, lighting. No, for
हाँ.
for this there's no, you can use anything, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, and what else, tell me.
सर अभी तो इतना ही है.
और कौन है यहाँ पे? Sonam, yes, Sonam, you were asking yesterday something, I forgot.
The substance to Unreal, how to explain? You're showing this one.
Yes, substance to Unreal, yes. Just let me open this thing. I open my last this only.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you also show me how to bake in Unreal?
Bake, yes, sir. Of course, I'll show you.
Mm.
Bake in Unreal, like bake what? Light baking or like
Whole model?
Model? Like no, you cannot bake models or like your normals and all in Unreal. You can only bake lighting.
Okay.
So, and this with the texture and everything. Then for Unreal, what you have to do is go to export texture and output template, select Unreal Pack 4. This first option, not the second one. This one. Select this, export. I guess yesterday we exported this, right? I guess we exported
Yeah.
this yesterday. Yes. There is a folder. Yes, we have exported this, and I believe we imported also. Let's see, and then the electricity gone. So yeah, I'll do it. Close it. Close. Open quickly. That's okay. It's taking so long. Should open quickly. Still loading. Open load. Delete. Okay, skip restore. Don't want. Okay. What happened to my Unreal? Finally. So yesterday we were doing low level empty. Arey yaar, what is wrong with my Unreal? So yeah, now we have this model. Now now we have to import those textures. So yesterday we are doing this and the light gone. So now we have to import those textures here. Drag drop here. So yesterday we were discussing that ARM map, like this ambient occlusion, then roughness, then metal map. Those maps are there, so you have to connect it like that. Those things are, all these things are gone, so you have to redo it. Yeah, imported map. Right click, create a new material. This is my mat underscore DBA. Double click and open it. Select all the textures. Place it. Now diffuse. This is your ARM map. Normal map. Normal to normal. Color to color. And emissive to emissive. Ambient occlusion. Roughness. You can see red, green, and blue channel connected. All connected. Material is ready. So it will give you these colorful things. Apply. So it's ready. Now I'll go right click, create instance, and open this one. See, so my main body, this is my body. So I'll just apply this instance on the body, replace it. You can see it's applied, and it looks very shiny. Reason, this map, double click and open it, and by default the compression setting is default. Change it to mask no sRGB. Otherwise it will look entirely different from substance. It will look very glossy, shiny. So this is something, one important thing you should do. Make sure no sRGB for mask. So the moment you do it, you can see there is an error. Select this, change the color to mask. Error is gone. Save it again. And now if you see, we close this, it's not required. Now you can see it become less glossy. Now save this, all this thing. And now drag drop this into your scene. So we're doing this. So now we have the light and everything. You see, it looks pretty dark. And now what we have to do is we have to control all this emissiveness and background. So I'll just delete the sky. Reflection capture can keep. Sky is there, one direction is there. Atmospheric fog, if I don't want, I can delete it. So few things I have to add. Post process. This is something very important. Make sure it's there in your scene. Place it. Change the exposure to. Both should be 1, 1. And scroll down. Infinite extent. Click on this. This is your actual lighting of the color. scene. And lighting, you can see here, select the light and increase the intensity. You can see everything is clearly visible, right? All scratches, all dirt and everything is visible. And once you do this, create this thing, then what you have to do is you have to, if you want to like, suppose you want to control this, all this thing like this, you can see there is no glossiness, there's no reflection I can see here. So what I have to do is go to material. I need to add controller for all this thing. Use a multiplier, connect this to emissiveness, and this emissiveness color. Emissiveness, this thing is this one. If I connect this and press S and left mouse button, scala parameter, name it emissive. Default value is 1. Connect to B. Now I have the controller for emissiveness. And see, nothing changed here. But if I go to instance, double click and open it, I can see I have this emissive option activated, and I can increase this and make it glowing, glossy. See, now it looks like it's shining, it's glowing, that lights are glowing. I can do create this, and now still you can see in my scene everything is fine, but that when if I go to close up only, I can see this, the yellowish reflection. I can see now, to see everything properly and everything should work nicely, I have to make sure my lighting, I'm changing everything to static, skylight, my source light, everything, and then build your scene. If you don't build your scene, the lighting is not finalized. It will take little time. And it will take little this thing. So everything is static. Why it's created this weird lighting issue? Okay, there is not enough light, and this light is coming from the back side. It's a very strong light. So what I have to do, delete this.
So do we need to put multiple light sources?
Yes, yes.
Or a skybox would do?
Skybox might work, but either we have to add a HDRI map here, like sky, select and change and apply any HDRI map. It will take little time. Otherwise, the light won't work properly. There is no light thing. So now what I'll do is I can use spotlight. Instead of I deleted, you can see still, because I have baked everything, that's why light is visible. Increase the radius. I can import one more light from front. Location, go to 0, 0. The rotation also change so that I can place it nicely here. Increase the radius. Increase the intensity. And if I want, I can, if you see, it doesn't go beyond 160. If you want to increase it, manually type it and increase it. increase it like this, and now build, I can build it again. Or like typical basic lighting setup is you need to have a, this is your rim light, this is your key light, key source of light, and this section is full black, so you need to have a fill light. I can use a point light or a spotlight. uh, let's use a spotlight only. Location, from down, slightly rotate, angle change, add this, and then I need to rebake it, build again. Bake everything and press G. So you can see now this is your new lighting. So all this lighting you have to create, and you can see this looks much better. So you can see still there are dark areas. So based on the requirement, I have to add multiple lights and create all those like effect. Create all these things. So like this, once your lighting is done, you can, after that you can just simply start building everything, and wherever you need a light, you can add a light.
Okay, sir.
And if you press G, intensity, you can see you can increase, decrease, keep it slightly dark but not that dark. See, it was like full black. Now everything is visible, and I feel this part is like little too white. I can reduce the intensity to 200. Like this I can add, and reflection capture, I can create one more. In your scene, like wherever you have a glossy surface, use multiple reflection capture, that will give you better result. Or like this reflection, you use that map, right, in sky, you can use the same map here also. It will generate that same reflection based on that map or similar kind of reflection. So still working. Well, it like, it's little slow process, but it will work. Okay, what is array? It's taking too much time. Okay. Ah, fine. I can change everything, and like rest is whatever I want based on the requirement. I can modify my material. This is like straightforward, direct material. I'm not modifying anything in my material. But suppose I want to create something, like suppose I want to create some flickering or something, I can definitely use that and create all these effects also. And rest, this is like basic material and everything works perfectly, no problem. So like this, you generate and create everything.
Sir, in
Okay,
the
sir.
particle systems like fire and all, there is auto built flickering in that, right?
Yes. Well, most of the fires and all is there. If you see particles, if I search for fire and click on particle systems, you see there are a lot of fires because are there. You can use any one of them,
Mm.
and there are like lots of things are like you can modify and check like anything like already existing is there. If you want to change it, you can just simply double click, open it, and modify all this thing. It will work. Like if you want to add anything,
Yes,
definitely
sir.
do it. And it's all about beautifying your scene. So once you create your scene, then add fog. Like suppose you have like in this scene, you have a lot of pre-made fog or ambient dust. There is something called ambient dust. Like usually
Mm.
dust is always there,